Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you're doing great because it is a fabulous day. And today I'm going to show you how I get rid of this frizz. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. You see how my hair is? This is like normal. I have dry hair, I have frizzy hair, I have processed hair. You know, it's just the way it is. Right now, am I going to stop dyeing my hair? No, I'm not. So let me show you first. Yes, there is a rule that says if you have curly hair, don't comb it. And it's true, because if you comb it, it's going to get more frizzy. So yeah, don't comb it. Unless you're gonna flat iron it, then that's a different story. So let me show you how I get rid of this frizz, okay? This is what I do. I wet it, and how am I wetting it? I'm just dipping my hands in here. I'm not using a fancy spray bottle. You know, I mean, come on, YouTube loves to complicate your life. Just wet your hair. How do you wet your hair? I mean, you know, you don't need to wet your hair with a fancy spray bottle. Now, it's not that we're looking to soak your hair. We're just looking to get some moisture in your hair because that's gonna flatten those flyaways and it's gonna help define your waves or curls. Even though I say I have curly hair, in reality, I don't have curly hair. I have wavy hair, see? You don't see curls, right? But people understand what it looks like better when I say curly. So when I was younger, I actually did have curls, but now they're more like just waves. And then I do a lot of finger detangling. A lot of finger detangling. I really want it all evenly moistened. I do not want like just the top, and that happens a lot, especially when I'm in a hurry. Because I'll just go like this, see? I'll do this, and then I'll say, okay, let's go. And that's not right because the hair underneath is not moistened. So, you know, they say just have your hair humid. So yeah, just have your hair humid. But even with the water, you can see that it's flattening those flyaways. So that's what you do. And then I take that top layer. I forget this spot all the time. I always forget it. And then I just want to like go like this. Move that back. And yeah, there's a lot of hairs that I don't probably do. I don't have time for this. You know me, I'm always complaining about not having time, and honestly, it's not that I don't have time. It's that I do so many things, and I enjoy doing all of the things that I do. I shouldn't complain. Yeah, I need to say something different. I need to say something like, oh, I'm so glad that I have such a tight schedule. Because I really like doing everything that I do. So it's not like it's imposed on me. I like doing my YouTube videos. That takes a lot of time. I don't know. I like writing. What else do I like? What takes time? Well, I work. So that takes time. I like cleaning my house. I like organizing. I like cooking. Okay, so there you go. So that's about it, right? Now I'm going to show you a magic product that I love. And I've spoken to you before about Novex, right? They have a line of products for hair that is processed and curly and wavy, and I love it. The only thing I'm trying to get them to do is to create a blue shampoo, because I am using a blue shampoo to keep the brassiness away, and they do not have a blue shampoo. I love their products, but they need to put some blue stuff in it. In the meantime, I'll put a picture of the product that I'm using because I forgot the name right now. And maybe I'll mix it with their shampoo. Maybe that's what I'll do. I don't know. I want them to just make a blue shampoo. They have so many things. Okay, let's get back on track. So this is called Recarga de Keratina. All right, basically it's keratin recharge. That's what it's called. And what you do is you moisten your hair like this, or you use it like after you wash your hair and then you towel dry. And then, oh, and this company is a Brazilian company, and I have found that all Brazilian companies, they're just the best. They're the bomb with the hair. They're so good. So anyway, this is a Brazilian company. Check it out. I'll put some information for you down in the description. And tell them to get the blue shampoo going. What's the problem? All right. So you take some of this and you put it like that on your hand, and it smells good. It smells like soap. It smells clean. And then you just put it like that on your hair and on the bottom. And then you scrunch it. And this is going to soften your hair. Look at that already. It's giving me that definition. This is going to soften your hair. Wow, this stuff is so good. And it's going to make it look like you don't have that many flyaways. I don't know if it's really restructuring it or not. I don't care. I just know it's making it look a lot better. And I'm not putting that much because you see that I'm spreading that amount on the top half and then the bottom half. Look at that. See? I mean, it's just, so now it's wet, so you see it a little bit squashed and flattened, but as soon as it dries, you're gonna see that you can go ahead and fluff it so you can kind of break that little cast that it leaves on your hair, and it'll be super soft. It will not be, you know, scratchy and sticky and crackly. No, it'll be super soft. Look at that. And it'll smell so good too. Oh, I love it. So I love this stuff. This is what I'm using. I am loving it. Tell them that we need blue shampoo. I love this stuff. Okay, no vex. We need blue shampoo. Okay, we need blue. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.